Okay, as far as content goes, we basically have everything up aside from the carousel. And so what I want to do now is actually get the images up there. And so what I'm going to do is, let's see, the carousel is going to be this section right here. And let me just space that out. And I'm going to go over to the Odin documentation and let's find the carousel section. Okay, and they give you, right here is some code right there. And so I will copy and paste that into our site. Let me get my, and the only thing it looks like I have to do is go ahead and swap out the image, um, the image tags on here. So my three images are called slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, and they're all in the IMG folder. So this is what they are. Okay, so let's call it, so it's IMG slash slide 1. And you know what? Let's do, if I hold down Alt, I can highlight those things at the same time, and then I can do IMG slash slide, and there we go. Save some typing, and let's see what happens. So we'll go back here to our page and refresh, and there we go. Okay, we got an image up there. Let's see if I use the mouse, it seems to slide. Okay, so I can go back and forth. They cycle through, so that's working pretty well. Let's see what's different about this page. Okay, this time I'm just not touching anything on the computer, and you can see that the slides automatically transition from one to the next. So let's go explore the carousel documentation and see what we can find. Also, let's see, yeah, the little navigation dots are here where we can just jump from image to the next. So let's see. That's customization. Okay, it says use the data slick attribute. And so let's see where it is. It's in the carousel class. And so we'll add this section called data slick and dots true. And I will copy and paste that over into my code. Let's see, so it goes right after the carousel class. And so let's see what happens. Okay, now I got my little navigation dots under here. I haven't written any JavaScript or anything like that. Okay, it just seems to work. Autoplay, you can see that, let's see, we've got the additional attributes we can put into the data slick section. We've got the autoplay true, which will turn the autoplay on, and the speed right here. So let's take those two things and pull them over. Now this one, it may be tricky from the documentation, but we're not, don't do a new data slick. We're just adding it in there. And then they're all separated by commas. So I've got my autoplay true, comma, autoplay speed, 3000 dots true. I'm just keeping them in alphabetical order. I think that'll help me stay organized. Let me minimize that so you can see the whole thing. All right. And let's see how it looks. And we'll refresh our page. And there she goes. Okay, so we've got different images. I've got the dots. I've got the autoplay. We'll go back here and just explore the one more thing with the autoplay, right? We've got this speed right here. This number is in milliseconds. So, let's say I thought my carousel was playing a little bit fast, right? If I wanted to change this to 5,000, then my slides are going to change every 5 seconds instead of every 3 seconds. And let me look at it. Let me look at each image a little bit longer. So anyway, this is how you can get a carousel on the page. And let's see, I want div. I guess before I close this video, I copy pasted in, and I want to do one last thing, and my divs are getting misaligned here, so I'm going to back that up. I always like to see, how container elements are nested inside of one another. So let's see where our site is. There we go. We've got all of the content on the page, and and the carousel is there. I think at this point we have explored most of what the Odin library has for us. I've gone through most of here. So this is the first place where I think we're going to have to go ahead and actually start writing some custom CSS to really make this page our own. All right, I will see you in the next video.